The Fertilizer and Pesticides Authority also intensify its campaign against fake products imported from other countries. This followed the seizure of fake pesticides from China. Again, here's Noel Perfecto.
Foreign products, particularly those with Chinese characters, will no longer be allowed to enter the country. This was a statement of Fertilizer and Pesticides Authority Chief Norlito Gicana when he presented to government television station seized products made in China.
Ang FPA po ay nakikipagtulungan sa National Bureau of Investigation, katulad po nito na nahuli po natin ito sa Clark, Pampanga. At ganoon din naman po sa Philippine National Police, dahilan po ang FPA ay member ng National Law Enforcement Coordinating Committee.
The fake pesticides were seized in Clark, Pampanga by the combined forces of the National Bureau of Investigation and the FPA. FPA Chief Gicana warned that these fake pesticides may have harmful effects to the health of consumers. That is why he is reminding the public to use the patronized products registered by the FPA. Meanwhile, the National Bureau of Investigation to cooperate with the concerned agencies to stop the spread of fake products in the country.
Pinapaalalahanan po natin ang ating mga mamimili, lalo na ang mga magsasaka, na tangkilikin lamang ang mga produkto na rehistrado sa Fertilizer and Pesticide Authority, sapagkat ito pong mga produkto na ito ay mga smuggled pesticide product na hindi po tayo nakakasiguro sa kalusugan ng ating mga mamamayan. Baka po ito ay may nilalaman ng mga banned chemicals na napakasama para sa kalusugan ng ating mga mamamayan. At ito po ay yung tinatawag nating traceability, ay ito po ay napapaloob sa mga prutas na katulad ng mangga, watermelon, melon. Kaya po pinapaalalahanan po natin ang mga magsasaka na para siguraduhing ligtas ang ating mga produkto ay gumamit ng mga inputs na abono at pestisidyo na rehistrado lamang sa Fertilizer and Pesticide Authority.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.